Hey, we're back. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you a really cool and basic trick with 3 scarves. The cool thing about juggling scarves is that they move a lot slower than ball juggling. So when the balls goes pretty fast, with scarves it's an easy way to understand the pattern that you can then later repeat with the juggling balls. So in a previous tutorial, I taught you how to do this one, which is the basic pattern of juggling. It's called the cascade. See, with this cascade, I'm throwing all the throws underneath. Now there's a cool way how you can juggle a cascade as well, and it's called the reverse cascade. In the reverse cascade, you're gonna throw every object over the top. So it looks like this. You throw from the outside and you catch in the inside. So it goes like this. And the way you're gonna prepare for this trick is by taking just 2 scarves. So the same like you learned the normal cascade, now you're gonna do it like this. So the second scarf goes over the top. So throw from the outside, throw, catch in the inside. So 1, 2. And if that works well, you're also gonna do it the other way around. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. And now you're gonna put all the steps together. So the same when you learned the normal cascade with the scarf, you hold 2 scarves like this, 1 just like that. The hand that has the 2 is gonna be the hand that you start with. And you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you can keep going, and then you have a really cool second trick. So now you have 2 tricks that you can do with the scarves. Keep on practicing, have fun, and come back for the next tutorial.